I recording? I can't even tell if I'm recording. Well, anyway, I hope it is recording. I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday, feeling good, excited about fall. I know I am. Fall recipes, all the fall interior decorating outside. Really exciting time of year. One of my favorites. So today's recipe is a delectable Asian dish that I made using innovation rice, chicken fried rice, along with my own ingredients. So I hope that you'll stick around to watch that and enjoy it and loving my puppy in the background. All right, this smells delicious. It's simple, it's easy. You come home from work, you're hungry, you don't feel like cooking, you got some leftover chicken. It's in our Dutch oven. I shredded it. Okay, I basically used my hands to just chop up this chicken and put it in our Dutch oven. We're going to also do a tablespoon of olive oil. Stir that up. We are going to throw in 1/4 cup of diced onion. We are then going to do about 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We are then going to add in a box and a half of chicken fried rice from Innovation. You will be amazed at the dinner you have very quickly. Okay, next thing, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Next, you're going to add in your first bag of your Innovation chicken fried rice. After that, you'll do 1/2 bag of your other bag of Innovation chicken fried rice. After that comes together for about 20 minutes in your Dutch oven, you're going to add in your sweet and sour La Choy sauce. It is smelling totally amazing in here. So now you're going to add in your Eden or whatever brand of toasted sesame oil you like. I got this at an authentic Asian store, so I trust it. I like it. I'm going to add in about 1/3 tablespoon. Now I am going to cover this now and I'm going to let it cook for 15 minutes. Okay, so you're going to add in the 1/4 cup soy sauce. That's the only soy sauce you'll add into this. Otherwise, it'll be way too salty. You're going to stir. And then you're going to put your Dutch oven lid on here. You're going to put it on around 3 heat for 20 minutes. So, also, if it seems too dry, you can gradually add in more olive oil to loosen up the bits of meat on the bottom of your Dutch oven. So that's what I'm doing now. We'll stir that up, continue cooking it. We're going to lower the temperature from medium to just around medium. Well, I said medium. Bloopers! We're going to lower the temperature from medium high to just lower the medium. Alright, so that has been cooking for 15 minutes now. I cannot begin to tell you all the aromas of heaven. This, I think I'm in an Asian restaurant right now. It smells amazing. I mean, it smells gorgeous. It smells like I want to eat this whole Dutch oven bowl. Anyway, what we're going to do now... Where's that sauce, Booga? Sorry. We're going to go ahead and pour in just about all of this. Not too much to, like, take the flavor away. I would say 3/4. So we're going to go ahead and pour that in and then cover it up and let it cook. Hi, y'all. I hope everybody is doing good today. This is Thursday, one more day to go before the weekend. I did want to come on and say, I appreciate everybody who does watch my videos. I would love it if you guys would comment or hit that like button. It really will help me build my channel. I'm really, really into trying to grow my YouTube channel. I do a variety of things, like I've always said. Have a lot of things going on in my life too, and that would be something I will discuss in another video. But if you are somebody that has something going on in their life and you need some prayers, we definitely would be more than happy to put you in our prayers. Um, we're very religious, and we go to church, and we really, really want to connect with other people. Um, so I am doing part 2 of my video that I've been working on. I actually subscribed to Managing the Maze YouTube channel. I have to say, I love her channel. I love all the things she does. I might actually start doing like a grocery store haul and go back more into vlogging and stuff like that. But this next recipe we're going to do is from Managing the Maze YouTube channel. It's egg roll in a bowl. I'm going to change it up just a little bit. I'm not going to use the stir fry sauce she actually used. I'm going to use a sweet and sour because we like sweet and sour, but it's still LaChoy. So we're going to get started with that, and that will be the second video that you see. Hopefully, you guys will watch the video and like and comment and give me your input about what you thought about it. But I hope you have a great rest of your Thursday. Let me know how you're doing, and take care of yourself. Thank you so much for tuning in.
I'm getting acting crazy, so why are you looking scared, girl? Oh.
Summer Chloe? Summer Chloe, baby! 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 Oh, baby! Baby! Baby!
Let's go, Niblet.
All right, y'all. So we've got our ground beef here. I got ground beef chuck. I'm sorry I don't have my reading glasses on. I think it's the 70 lean, 73%, something like that. So we're going to go ahead and for our egg roll bowl, we're going to go ahead and blooper. We're going to brown our hamburger. So I'm just going to drop it in there. I'm going to increase my heat to medium. And grab my meat grinder here. I'm going to break this up. In everybody's videos, it seems like this thing, works so simple. But to me, it's not that easy. Anyway, we're going to grind our meat up. And then we're going to start putting some seasoning. Alrighty, so we're going to use our minced garlic. I am like managing the maze. I don't measure my garlic really. I mean, I do, but I don't. So I'm just going to go and this is 1 tablespoon. I'm going to do another tablespoon after I drain the beef. And then after I drain the beef, we're going to add in half this red onion that we diced up. Now I do have this ginger from the Spice Hunter. It's powdered ginger, so it's not fresh ginger, but it is organic and it is good. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I can't remember how much the recipe calls for. I guess It's a teaspoon. Okay. So we're gonna have. Go ahead. Just dash that in there. Dash of ginger, teaspoon. I'm glad I found that. All right, now we're gonna add in our 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And we are gonna add in what am I? Oh, a tablespoon of sesame oil.
It's a cute show.
Now I do have this ginger from the Spice Hunter. It's powdered ginger, so it's not fresh ginger, but it is organic and it is good. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I can't remember how much the recipe calls for. I guess it's a teaspoon. Okay, so we're going to have. Go ahead. Dash that in there. Dash of ginger, teaspoon. I'm glad I found that. So since I did forget to get oil and I'm not going to the grocery store, and we are in the middle of cooking this, I'm sure this has happened to all of us at some point, I am going to put 4 tablespoons of butter and let it just melt on the top, and then I'll stir that in. Alright, now we're going to add in our 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And we are going to add in what am I? Oh, a tablespoon of sesame oil.
It's a cute show.
Well, y'all, I did use almost all of those 2 bags of char-colored cabbage slaw. Almost both bags in here. Doesn't that look good? That looks really good. My son keeps saying it smells so good. He doesn't like cabbage though, so he's not going to eat it. He's going to order a pizza. And I'm not feeling very well. I keep getting waves of nausea. I hope I don't have a stomach bug. But anyway, I got to make the rice. And we're going to put this over the rice. Now what we're going to do is we are going to pour in our bottle of the Choi sweet and sour sauce. Yum yum. Doesn't that look delicious? It's time to taste test our egg roll in a bowl with our sticky rice.
Well, at least you're consistent. It was the right time, right? You had the ring? I had the ring. She was there? Yeah, so what the fuck you mean it wasn't the right time? Look, chill. Look. Whatever you got tested.
What do you think?
Whatever goes down out here, we your boys. Go up there, get a ring, get a knee. Let's put a ring on food. Can you do that, Jimmy? That's what I'm saying.
Hang on, I have to say another bite.
I'm gonna find the perfect time.
You gotta get rice with it.
Just trust me. Big 3 from the D. Let's get it.
Did you get rice with it?
Yeah. It's unique.
It's unique. Oh, hi, baby. Well, is it a thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Is it really good?
Yeah.
Exactly. Seasons. More like 1 season.